I wake up and say Bismillah. I wake up and say Bismillah. I pray Fajr every morning. I pray Fajr every morning. I remember Allah all day. I remember Allah all day. I say Alhamdulillah for everything. I say Alhamdulillah for everything. I start my work with Bismillah. I start my work with Bismillah. I read the Quran every day. I read the Quran every day. I make dua for my family. I make dua for my family. I help people in need. I help people in need. I say Subhanallah when I see beauty. I say Subhanallah when I see beauty. I forgive others for Allah. I forgive others for Allah. I give charity every week. I give charity every week. I speak kindly to everyone. I speak kindly to everyone. I avoid bad words. I avoid bad words. I thank Allah before sleeping. I thank Allah before sleeping. I end my day with dua. I end my day with dua.